Every journey matters. Not only the destination, but also the meaningful moments we create along the way. Diba, for us Filipinos, we often say, sabay ka na, kasya pa isang tao, kasya pa isang balikbayan box, or kasya pa isang luggage. There is always more room for one more. It reflects something very special about our culture. Our love for togetherness, our desire to share experiences, create memories, and make every journey more meaningful with the people who matters most. And that is exactly what our NPV family represents. More space for what matters, more comfort for every passenger, and more possibilities for every journey. Whether it's a family weekend getaway, supporting a growing business, or simply making everyday drives more comfortable and enjoyable. Every journey deserves a vehicle that is safe, reliable, intelligently designed, and a pleasure to own. This belief continues to guide everything we do, and it is the inspiration behind what we will proudly unveil today. The NPV has always played an important role in Filipino life. It brings family closer, supports entrepreneurs, and creates countless memories on the road. And today, we proudly introduce the GAC NPV family. This launch is a celebration also of partnership. To our dealer partners, thank you for your passion, commitment, and continued belief in the GAC brand. Your dedication efforts are essential in bringing the GAC experience closer to more Filipino customers. To our bank partners, thank you for helping make GAC ownership more accessible and achievable for our customers. And of course, to our media friends and KOLs, thank you for helping us share the GAC story and allowing more Filipinos to discover our brand, our products, and our vision. Your partnership inspires us to continue raising the standards of delivering products, services, and experiences that exceed expectations. Today, we begin another exciting chapter for GAC in the Philippines. Together with our partners, we look forward to creating more journeys, more memories, and more opportunities for Filipino families and businesses. Thank you once again for being here with us today. We hope you enjoy the program and the exciting showcase ahead. Thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.